Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. So today's video is of course going to be a makeup tutorial, and it's on this hair look right here, and it's a Barbie inspired look. So if you can look closely, you'll see that everything is basically pink, and it features a nice kind of simple cut crease. It's not very dramatic. The most dramatic thing about this, is the winged outliner and the eyelashes here. And these eyelashes are doubled. So everything is basically pink. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you're a girly girl that loves pink and you like to try out different looks, this is perfect for you. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to me. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter, all at NaturallyMsToya. The links will be in the description bar below. Oh, this video is very detailed. If you're a beginner and you're just starting to use makeup, this is perfect for you because I basically try to explain everything that I was doing. So that's why this video is going to be on a bit of the long side. So yeah. And I've also started to do song covers on my channel, so if you guys want to hear me sing any special kind of song, you can leave the request in the description bar, or you can inbox me the request on Facebook at NaturallyMsToya. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Okay guys, so if you hear a buzzing sound, that's my fan. I have to have it on because if I don't, then I'm just going to sweat all of this off. Alright, so I've started already. I already have my foundation on and one eye is already done. I'm going to start off with a base, and as a base I'm using Black Opal's Cream Stick in Rich Caramel. I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. This is just going to help to widen my lid space and make my eyes appear a lot wider than they actually are. I'm also just going to be blending some of this on my lower lash line as well, because I will be taking eyeshadow down there too. I'm going to create kind of like a cut crease look. If you guys can see right there, there's a very nice subtle cut crease. I'm just going to begin on the inside here and take it out, and when I get to the end, I'm going to wing it up towards the tail of my brow. This is actually a brown pencil. Yes, that's all I've left. Same pencil that I used to define my eyebrows. And obviously I'm almost fresh out of it, so I'm going to be taking this color by Arista Cosmetics, and it's called Nutmeg, and it's just a nice kind of cocoa brown color. It has a red undertone, if you can see that. I'm going to be taking my Coastal Scents blending brush. Looks like that. And I'm just going to be blending this, using this color to blend out the cut crease that I have created. And always be sure to just tap off your excess so that you don't have any fallout. So I'm taking that much of it on my brush, and I'm just going to blend that. That's going to also be a nice transition color. Try your best not to go underneath the line that you have created. Powder, it's a Prisma pressed powder. I also use it to set my foundation sometimes. This is what it looks like. It's also another brown color. I'm going to be taking some of it, tapping off my excess, and I'm going to be using that to blend out the nutmeg. So now for the signature pink that Barbie is known for, I tried to make it very natural looking. I'm using this Marbleized Big Eyeshadow by Milani. It is called Must Have Fuchsia. It's number 616, and it's a nice pink shimmer color. I use it for a blush sometimes, so I'm using it for an eyeshadow today. And I'm just going to be using this brush. It's a nice kind of packing brush, and I'm just going to pack on that pink. Not too much, but enough so that you guys can see it. And again, while you're doing this, try not to pass that cut crease line that you have created. I'm also going to be blending some of that pink, whatever's left on my brush. I'm going to be blending it on my lower lash line. And this is why I told you guys to prime under there as well. I'm taking this small concealer brush, which is my favorite makeup brush of all time. It has no name. And I'm going to use the black color here right there. So my favorite black. This palette has no name, but I think it's Beauty Resource, I think. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this black because it is very pigmented. And I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to put that right on the cut crease, just on the outside, the outer part of it. Just to redefine the cut crease just a little bit, just like that. My Coastal Scent blending brush once again. And dip it into that very same black, and I'm going to just use a little bit of it because, as I said, it's very pigmented. And I'm just going to use that to blend out the line that I've just created. This thing right here, it's the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And this is going to make my eyes appear a lot wider than they are. Just give me that nice wide-eyed Barbie look. So I'm going back into this very nice black that I used before. And I'm actually going to use this color with my angled brush from Beauty Planet. And I'm going to be using that to wing out my liner. Create my wing right here. Alright. So now we're going to clean up or wing the liner. Just the tip of the brush, just dipping it in just like that. And I'm going to just be using that to clean up my wing to make it nice and sharp. Just on the edge of the wing right here. Off camera I applied my lashes. And I applied mascara to my bottom lashes as well. And this is a mascara that I use. Now I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone, and I'm using this MAC palette. It's a 12 color MAC palette, and I'm using this it's not a champagne, it's more of like a gray shimmer. I'm going to be using my handy dandy blending brush, and I'm just going to be using the lighter side of this MAC powder cake, which is of course another pressed powder. And I'm just going to use that to just blend out any harsh lines that I may still have. I'm just going to go into this color right here. It's like a white gold, and I'm going to just be popping that color right on the inside of my eye, right in my tear duct region, and I want a lot of that color. So right now I want to highlight under my eyes, and I'm just going to be using my Rich Caramel once again. For this step you can pretty much use anything that you want to highlight, but I did not highlight my face. As I said, I was just wearing basic foundation. So I'm just going to be taking just a little bit of it, not too much, but you know, Barbie look is all about the highlighting. So I just want to ensure that I highlight really, really nicely. To go on ahead and use this Eyeliner Beauty Blender. I think it's a dupe. It already has some of my foundation on there from last time. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be using the darker side of the MAC powder cake just to set this. Just going to set our foundation really nicely and blend out the edges of our highlight. Alright, now that that is nice and done. Okay guys, so because my battery was dying, I had to do a lot of things off camera. Or maybe it wasn't really a lot, but I contoured and highlighted, and I used the brown from Arista Cosmetics to do that. And I contoured my nose and highlighted it just to get it a little slimmer. And of course you can now see the cat eye effect. And I'm trying to hurry up because my battery is really, really dying now. So I'm going to be putting on this really nice blush by Jordana Cosmetics. have our blush on, and I'm just going to finish off the lips, and I really could not choose between Rosette or Hot Pink, Pretty Pink, sorry. I couldn't choose between Rosette or Pretty Pink by Jordana. They're basically the same color. This is Pretty Pink and this is Rosette. Rosette is more satin and Pretty Pink is more matte. So I'm just going to mix them both and see what we get. Alright? Okay guys, this is the completed look. Yeah, I really love it. It's very, very gorgeous. It turned out wonderfully. These lashes are the bomb. And I doubled my lashes. I'm just wearing some dollar lashes and I just doubled them.